Welcome to TradeTheMBI.com. This is John's reports for the 15th of December. And, well, we just got a little bit of selling as we came back up to the peaks. It's represented here from our declining shakeout that we've been recognizing. We were in a slight DOC spread, but it completely inverted pretty quickly towards the end of the day. And that was off the rising short-term buyers. Not completely a shock. We're also right now even seeing the potential that that could flip back, but as long as the red DOC is above zero, hardly get too excited about. From a NASDAQ standpoint, it was much stronger, and you can see it's even returning quicker, and that's been the lead in the market for quite some time now. And it's just a reality of the tech situation, as well as the fact that from an economy standpoint, everything is online right now, and nothing you can do about that. Euro is just maintaining it tight because, again, the U.S. has no choice but to continue easing. The question is just how much and when, and does that start? Obviously with the special election in Georgia situation, it could make a huge difference as to whether it's a massive stimulus or just modest. From a gold standpoint, I think that as we see the gold turning around and rising would be the expectation of certain market players on a Democrat win in Georgia, which would definitely be a huge package then, which would skyrocket gold. And you can see from the intraday setup, we started out with the peaks. Oops, let's just reduce those. We started up with the high move from the gap up in futures, which took place right here. Created, though, positive extreme. Boom, little magenta line to point it out. As we get to the peak, there it is, just a beautiful DOC spread. And then boom, power mode 2 crosses on the declining below 13.5, and the rest is just a positive extreme fill, and unable to get a DOC steel reset. Look at that going across. It does not dip back below red DOC, and you see what we get from a continuation standpoint. We finally did get it right over here as we're coming back up. Once we got to the lower positive extreme threshold, amazing, right beautifully on it, bounces on it, and once it broke above that 36.52 one, hit the ceiling right again here, 36.69, which is that move right back up to the gap. And that's where we have things right now. So it's still looking pretty strong here in the pre-market as we're about to get ready to open soon. As always, though, I will put up any details on Skype chat. Trade well.